Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Ensure the remote machine has RDP enabled and port 3389 reachable. Next, install a client. For example, use apt or DNF to install Remina or FreeRDP. Once installed, gather credentials and the target IP address, and confirm firewall allows incoming connections. Make sure you have sudo access to adjust local settings if needed. Begin by opening a terminal and testing connectivity with ping and a quick TCP check, so you know the host responds. Now you build the session. If you prefer CLI, run xfreerd with /u and /p flags and the server address. This gives explicit control over encryption and bitmap cache. If you use Remina, create a new RDP profile, choose resolution and color depth, and select the security backend. Save the profile. Make sure to enable clipboard and optional drive or sound redirection if you need file transfer or audio. If authentication fails, switch between NLA and TLS security settings to match the server. To finish, connect and validate the session. Log in and confirm clipboard, drives, and display behave as expected. If you cannot authenticate, toggle network-level authentication on either side. Mismatched NLA is the most common blocker. When ports seem blocked, inspect firewalls locally and remotely and run SS or netstat to confirm 3389 is listening. If the session is slow, reduce resolution or color depth. Disable heavy redirection and retry. One key tip: switch security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.